Alright, so look, there's a pea in a pod kind of thing. I guess you can, I don't know, is this a fidget toy too? You can get the pods or the peas out. Can you? I don't know. I can't tell. I think they're kind of bound in there. I wouldn't want to break something. Anybody want some edamame? Edamame, anybody? I could always use an edamame. Anyway. Cool. These things here, what are they? Scrunchies? Well, so far everything seems pretty good, in pretty good condition. Well, some kind of fun toy here. No idea what it does, but this one is super tangled and the other one is not so much, so we'll have to figure out what all this stuff does, but so far so good.
Likey.